Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Takniki Tuesday. So what has happened since last 1 week is Nifty has been constantly moving upside. अगर हम पिछले 5 ट्रेडिंग सेशंस देखें तो कॉन्स्टेंटली नए हाइज बनाया है, यानी कि पिछले दिन के लोज को भी ब्रेक नहीं किया है. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ बुलिश सेंटिमेंट वी हैव बीन विटनेसिंग सिंस पास्ट 5 to 6 trading sessions. So there is a clear-cut breakout above 17,800. Then Nifty surpassed 18,000 also, and now we are very much near to a major breakout above 18,250. So 18,250 would be the next resistance. If that is taken out, then we will be approaching the overall target of the breakout which happened from a falling channel. Okay, last week I guess we discussed that last week we discussed that there is a breakout from the falling channel, and the target for that channel comes around 18,500. That is the theoretical target. So we'll be approaching that once we start trading above 18,250. So that level one need to watch out for. But still, if we surpass that level also, then our advice would be start booking profits, because we feel that markets have overstretched itself a bit, and anytime there could be a possibility of heavy profit booking. So try to book profits in whichever positions, short-term positions you are gaining. Now coming to support, 18,000 would be the support, and below that 17,800. So 17,800 is a strong support for a couple of sessions, maybe for the week also. Once that is taken out on the downside, then we could see further profit booking in the markets. Now with regards to Bank Nifty initial and immediate resistance is 43,600. We are trading very much near to that. So इस लेवल का ध्यान रखना है. अगर वो निकलता है तो 44,200 would be the next resistance, which is I feel which is I guess all time high. Yes, it's somewhere it will be above all time high. So 43,600 to 44,200 ये एक जोन रहेगा. यहाँ पर एक बार के लिए प्रॉफिट बुक करनी चाहिए. 44,200 के नीचे ऊपर चला गया तब तो कुछ बात ही नहीं है, बिकॉज विल बी इन एन अनचार्टेड टेरिटरी एंड फ्रेश अपसाइड फिर शुरू हो जाएगी. बट बिफोर दैट देर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ प्रॉफिट बुकिंग. सो 43,600 and 44,200 शुड बी द जोन फॉर प्रॉफिट बुकिंग इन बैंकिंग स्टॉक्स. Support is at 43,000 immediate, but overall 42,000 is seems to be a base for the week. So whatever longs are there should be exited below 42,000 in case if you are not booking it at higher levels. So keep these levels in mind. So overall crux of this podcast is yes, sentiment is still very strong, but better to take some profit off the table, because yes, uncertainties are still there and will be there in throughout the world for the coming few months, because geopolitical issues are there, economic issues are there, and US, of course, rate hike cycle has stopped and we might be witnessing rate cut, but still one need to be prepared for a knee-jerk reaction. Thank you very much everyone.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.